Welcome to this comprehensive review of the best editing software for YouTube videos. If you're a YouTuber looking to take your content to the next level, you've come to the right place. And if you're a subscriber to VidHacks, our channel all about making great videos, you won't want to miss this. Video editing is an essential part of creating high-quality content on YouTube. As a creator, you need to have the right tools to make your videos stand out from the crowd. There are many video editing software options available, and it can be challenging to choose the best one for your needs. In this video, we will explore the best editing software for YouTube videos and provide a comprehensive review of each option. Before diving into the specific software options, let's take a moment to discuss what you should look for in editing software. First, you want to make sure that it is user-friendly and has a straightforward interface. This will allow you to spend more time editing your videos and less time figuring out how to use the software. Second, you want to ensure that the software has all of the necessary features that you need to create high-quality videos. This includes things like transitions, color correction, audio editing, and more. Third, you want to consider the cost of the software. Some options are free, while others require a subscription or one-time payment. You should choose an option that fits within your budget and provides the features that you need. Now that we've covered what to look for in editing software, let's explore the best options available. Number 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a popular choice for professional video editors. It has a user-friendly interface and offers a wide range of features that can help you create high-quality videos. Some of the notable features of Adobe Premiere Pro include multi-camera editing, color correction, audio editing, and more. One of the benefits of Adobe Premiere Pro is that it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products like After Effects and Photoshop. This allows you to create a cohesive workflow between different programs. The downside of Adobe Premiere Pro is the cost. It requires a monthly subscription, which can be expensive for some creators. Number 2. Final Cut Pro X. It is a popular choice for Mac users. It has a user-friendly interface and offers a wide range of features, including 360-degree video editing, color grading, and audio editing. One of the benefits of Final Cut Pro X is the cost. It is a one-time payment, which can be more affordable than a monthly subscription. The downside of Final Cut Pro X is that it is only available on Mac. If you are a Windows user, this software is not an option. Number 3. DaVinci Resolve. It is a free video editing software that offers a wide range of features, including color grading, audio editing, and visual effects. It has a user-friendly interface and can be a great option for creators on a budget. One of the benefits of DaVinci Resolve is that it includes a powerful color grading tool. This can help you achieve a cinematic look for your videos. The downside of DaVinci Resolve is that it can be resource-intensive. If you have an older computer, it may not be able to handle the software's demands. Number 4. iMovie. It is a free video editing software that comes pre-installed on all Mac computers. It has a user-friendly interface and offers basic features like transitions, titles, and audio editing. One of the benefits of iMovie is that it is easy to use. If you are new to video editing, this software can be a great option to get started. The downside of iMovie is that it has limited features. If you are looking for more advanced features, you will need to use a different software option. Number 5. Filmora. It is a popular video editing software that offers a wide range of features, including 4K editing, color grading, and audio editing. It has a user-friendly interface and can be a great option for creators on a budget. One of the benefits of Filmora is that it includes a wide variety of effects and templates, which can help you create unique and engaging videos. The downside of Filmora is that it can be slow when working with larger projects, and it is not suitable for professional video editing. Number 6. Pinnacle Studio. It is a video editing software that offers a wide range of features, including multi-camera editing, 4K video editing, and audio editing. It has a user-friendly interface and can be a great option for beginners and intermediate users. One of the benefits of Pinnacle Studio is that it offers a wide range of effects and templates, which can help you create unique and engaging videos. The downside of Pinnacle Studio is that it can be resource-intensive and slow down older computers. It is also not suitable for professional video editing. Number 7. Cyberlink Power Director. It is a video editing software that offers a wide range of features, including 4K video editing, color grading, and audio editing. It has a user-friendly interface and can be a great option for beginners and intermediate users. One of the benefits of Cyberlink Power Director is that it offers a wide range of effects and templates, which can help you create unique and engaging videos. It also includes a powerful color grading tool. The downside of Cyberlink Power Director is that it can be resource-intensive and slow down older computers. It is also not suitable for professional video editing. Conclusion. When it comes to video editing software for YouTube videos, there are many options available. The best software for you will depend on your needs, budget, and level of expertise. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro X are popular options for professional video editors, but they can be expensive. DaVinci Resolve and Filmora are great options for creators on a budget, but they have some limitations. iMovie, Pinnacle Studio, and Cyberlink Power Director are great options for beginners and intermediate users. They have user-friendly interfaces and offer a wide range of features and effects. In the end, the best editing software for YouTube videos is the one that fits your needs and budget. Experiment with different options to find the software that works best for you and your content. Thanks for tuning into this deep dive into the best editing software for YouTube videos. We hope you found it helpful in your journey to create amazing content for your audience. And if you're looking for even more tips and tricks to elevate your video game, don't forget to check out VidHacks, where we share our insights and experience on all things video. Until next time.